Good morning, children. Today for the third standard, I'm starting a new lesson, that is Unit 7, Kali and the Rat Snake. So it's a story about a boy named as Kali, and how he is behaving towards a rat snake. So children, rat snake it's actually a non-poisonous snake, but it eats only rats from the field. So the name rat snake falls for this type of snakes. So in this lesson, I'll just read out the lesson, explain it to you, and then you will have to write these 4 words meaning in your classwork note that is related to this lesson. So Kali and the rat snake. Kali walked slowly along the forest path on his way to school. He wished it was a Sunday. He wanted to go with his father to the forest and look for different kinds of snakes. His father was a famous snake charmer of the Irula tribe. So Kali is very hesitant to go to school. He's a boy whom he did not appreciate going to school. Like, he was forced to go to school. He wanted to roam around the forest along with his father. His father was a snake charmer. Children, a snake charmer is a person who can catch snakes and make them they exhibit them for money, or they exhibit them because people pray to the snake god. So they get money when they take snakes and go around people's houses. When people see them, they give them money. So it's a snake charmer, the person who looks after and breeds snakes. So his father, Kali's father, was a snake charmer of a Irula tribe. Irula was a tribe where it roams around in the forest catching snakes. Kali had joined school 2 months ago. Before that, he was roaming around in the jungle, free to do whatever he wanted. So he had just joined school. He had just joined 2 months back. So he was not interested to go to school because he was free. He loved roaming the jungle along with his father instead of going and sitting in the school. Now he felt lonely at school because he did not have a single friend. In fact, when he introduced himself to his classmates on the first day of school, everyone laughed at him. So children, it had only been 2 months since he had joined school. So he was very lonely. He did not have any friends. And the first day he came to school, he introduced himself, the children around them. They started laughing. For the first time in his life, Kali did not feel proud of being an Irula. He wished he could leave school, but the teacher was very kind. She praised Kali for any little work he did at school. So Kali was very sad because none of the other students used to talk to him. They used to make fun of him. They used to laugh at him, and just because he belonged to a particular tribe. So the teacher, his class teacher, was very kind. The class teacher, she was very kind, and she praised Kali. If he did any little bit of work, she used to praise him. One day during the English class, there was a big commotion. One child was pointing a trembling finger to the roof and saying, "Snake." Kali looked up and saw a snake. So suddenly, one day during the English class, another child looks up to the roof of the classroom and says, "There's a snake there." Suddenly Kali looks up, he can see a snake on the roof. He understood it was a rat snake and it was harmless. So soon as Kali saw the snake, he knew that it was not a poisonous one. So it was just a harmless snake. He also remembered his father's words. Rat snakes come mistaking the smell of humans to be that of rats. So rat snakes, like children, I told you in the start of the lesson, they only prey on rats. So what do these rat snakes? They know the smell of the rat. So when they came to this school roof thinking that there might be rats there, because they mistake the smell of humans to that of rats. Suddenly the snake fell down in the middle of the room. Everyone was very scared. There were screams from all the children, but Kali did not show any fear. He quickly grabbed the snake with his hand behind the snake's head. Then what happened? Suddenly all were looking at the snake. Suddenly the snake fell down on the ground. When the snake falls on the ground, all the children started screaming. See children, if you see a snake, obviously you will get scared, correct? You're not going to stand in front of the snake like that. You will all run helter-skelter. So same manner, all the children started screaming. So what did Kali do? Soon as the snake fell down on the ground, he caught the snake by the head, and a loud cheer broke out. Everyone started chanting, Kali, Kali, Kali. Kali looked up with surprise. All the children started dragging Kali by the hand, saying, Kali, you are brave. You must sit next to me. Kali had a big grin on his face. So what happened when Kali caught the snake on the head? The children and all were so happy that such their classmate caught a snake. So they were very proud, and then they started telling Kali, you have to sit next to me. Can I be your friend? You must come along with me. They wanted to make friends with Kali. Initially, Kali was very sad because he didn't want to go to school. There was nobody who was ready to be his friend. But once he showed his capability to hold the snake. Soon as the snake fell from the roof, all the children started appreciating his being in the school. After school, he went home and told everyone, his parents and brothers, about the snake and how he had caught it. His family was proud of his fearlessness. They felt happy that Kali came back home in a cheerful mood. The next day, Kali woke up much earlier than usual and got ready to go to school to meet all his new friends. So what happens, children? One day of bravery this Kali did in the school. He became a hero among his classmates. So the next day, he felt very proud to get up in the morning, get ready earlier than usual. He wanted to go to school to be friends with his classmates. So in this story, children, it's basically how you should be you should not be scared. You should know the difference between snakes which are poisonous and snakes which are non-poisonous. If you see the geographical channel of Discovery Channel, Geographical Channel and all that on TV, you'll get to know a lot about different types of snakes. Some snakes are poisonous and some are not. So in this manner, you should be able to identify snakes which are poisonous, which are not poisonous. This story tells about the small boy Kali. He knows the different types of snakes because his father is a snake charmer. So it was easy for him to recognize that the rat snake was a non-poisonous one. So in this manner, he starts appreciating going to school. Okay, now here, children, regarding this lesson, there are 4 words meaning. There are only 4 words meaning. I would appreciate if you write it in your classwork note and learn it. So I'll just read out these 4 words meaning, and next exercise I'll do it in the next class. The tribe. A tribe means, children, a group of people living together, sharing the same language and customs or religion, etc. So a group of people who stay together, they are called tribes. Tribes will mostly be found in remote areas of your forest or jungle or somewhere there. Next one, trembling. Trembling means shaking with fear. You can tremble with fear, you can tremble with cold, you can shake with cold, shiver with cold. So trembling means shaking. Grin means a broad smile. Grin means a big broad smile. Commotion means noise or confusion. Commotion means too much of noise or confusion. So these 4 words meaning, children, just write it down in your classwork note. Learn it, write and study it 5 times, and take a picture and send it to ma'am. I will send you the exercises in the next class, children. Till then, be safe and study well for exams. Thank you.